Welcome to Mendeley video tutorial. In this video, I, Dr. Suresh Limkar, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, will cover introduction of Mendeley and necessary steps required for installation of Mendeley desktop version. Content of these presentations are Introduction to Mendeley, creating an account on Mendeley, and lastly, installation steps of Mendeley desktop version. Let's begin with Introduction to Mendeley. Mendeley is designed to help you to achieve three main goals. These are organizing your references, collaborating with others, and discover. Let's go with the first one, organizing your references. By allowing you to create a personal library of materials and structuring it as you see fit. It can help you keep track of different papers you are reading by adding notes and highlights and by remembering where you had reached. Second goal is collaborating with others. Mendeley allows you to come together with other users to share references and to exchange ideas. You can also use private groups to share full text papers and to collaboratively annotate. You can use this functionality to work with people you see every day or use Mendeley's social features to find people with similar interests from around the world. And last goal is to discover. In addition to helping you discover new people to work with, Mendeley can also help you to find new research being published in your field and to recommend new readings based on the contents of your personal library. What is Mendeley? Mendeley is a free software which is available across number of different platforms. You can run Mendeley on your computer or laptop, your mobile phone or tablet, and also access it from any modern browser. You can either download the appropriate app for your particular device or use your web browser to log on to the web version. Mendeley's desktop application offers the most complete experience, allowing you to organize, collaborate, and discover, as well as use the citation plugin to cite as you write in Microsoft Office. The other versions, web-based and mobile-based, offer you the ability to access your references on the go. How does Mendeley help? Mendeley acts as repository for your reference information. You add papers to your library by importing PDF files stored on your computer or by retrieving them from other locations like online catalogs such as Science Direct, Scoopers, PubMed, and IEEE Explore. You can also create entries for items that you don't have access to as PDFs by manually entering details. Materials you add to your library are then stored in the cloud for you to retrieve wherever you need them. It might be that you want to read a paper on the way home on the train, or you need to write a paper on your main computers. Mendeley allows you to retrieve the same resources within the same enhancement. Let's getting started for the installation step. The first thing you will need to do is to create an account via www.mendeley.com. This is completely free to do and only takes a few seconds. Please remember you will need a Mendeley account to log into a different versions of the Mendeley software. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to download the appropriate version of Mendeley Desktop for your current machine. You don't have to do this right away, but it's a good idea to have the desktop application installed on your working computer. One of the important concepts in Mendeley is syncing. Whenever you are doing changes in Mendeley desktop, you will need to click sync button in order to reflect the changes in Mendeley web and Mendeley mobile version. It's a good practice to click sync button regularly to ensure that all your documents are saved in Mendeley. So this is the Mendeley desktop versions look. This is how Mendeley desktop looks on Windows 10. The Mac version may have a few cosmetic differences, but the functionality is exactly the same. This presentation uses Windows screenshot throughout the presentation. Mendeley Desktop offers the complete Mendeley experiences. It allows you to build, maintain, and order your personal library. It also allows you to access reading and writing functions. When you first open Mendeley Desktop, you will need to log into your Mendeley account. This ensures that any changes you make are being made to your own account and will be carried across when you log into different devices. Mendeley Desktop follows a three-column structure. The left left hand panel allows you to navigate through different filtering options for your library. When you click on different folders or groups listed in this column, different list of papers will be returned in the main panel. The middle panel is also referred as the main panel. It allows you to select individual references clicking on a reference. Here, it will display this document details in the right hand panel. You can also select multiple papers to undertake bulk actions such as mass deletions or addition to folders. The right panel shows the details of your selected references. You can also use this panel to modify the details by clicking into the individual fields. You should carefully check and correct the details displayed in this panel, as ensuring accuracy that your citations are totally correct. Summary. In this presentation, I have covered introduction to Mendeley. What is Mendeley? How does Mendeley help? Getting started with Mendeley. And lastly, I have covered the Mendeley desktop panels. Mendeley Resource Center has detailed guides to each of the different versions as well as feature guides that covers specific components. It's a good idea to use these guides to familiarize yourself with the different aspects of Mendeley. Thank you.